So first thing you have to do is make sure you have MetaMask account. If you don't have MetaMask account, go to Play Store and download MetaMask, or you can use Kiwi browser to have MetaMask extension. I'm going to use my extension, MetaMask extension in Kiwi browser for this. So what I have to do is to click on the change network there, and I'm going to add this particular network. So what I have to do is to click on add network, and it's going to add me for some information about the network that I want to add. So what I have to do is to click on add network, and then it's time to select a add network manually. So I will click on add network manually here. So if I click on add a network manually, it's going to bring me to this particular page, which I will need to fill out the informations about this particular airdrop before completing the video. And the whole information is going to look just like this. So make sure you copy your own, enter it right now. You can copy this anyway, don't worry, I'm going to put it in a blog post in the description of this video or in my Telegram channel. Once you follow the link in my Telegram channel, it's going to take you over to this particular place. And once you're done entering, adding every details, adding the network to the platform, is going to look just like this. But before we go on, please, a little intro, don't be offended. My name is Zubi King, and this is my channel where I share updates, both airdrops and also USDT updates, both the risky ones and non risky ones, the free ones and investment ones. And if this kind of thing amazes you, please do your best to try your best to click on the subscribe button. Just subscribing to my channel, it's not a big deal. It's just following me up on YouTube. It's not gonna cost you anything, but it's going a very long way for me. And also, please do your best to drop a like on my video. Yes, drop a like on my video. It shows me that people appreciate the information I gather. I take my time to look for and gather and explain everything I know about the information. And lastly, please don't forget to join my Telegram group in the description of this video, and also drop a like. Tell me what you think about this video. Is this project good? Is the thing I'm sharing on my channel good? I want to see you guys review on it. And without saying much, let's dive into the main video of the day. But don't forget, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel for more updates. So the project I'm talking about today is this Carbon Ever. So I found out about this Carbon Ever somewhere where I normally get my update. Just come across it and I decided to make a video about it since it's free and it's airdrop. So what you have to do is to go over to the Telegram group in the Telegram channel in the description of this video, and you will see a link to this particular video. Don't worry, following it, you will see a link to this particular post. You will get the link to this particular airdrop, and once you're done following the link, it's going to bring you up to the page where you have to sign up with your phone number and your email address with password and other things. So once you're done doing it, the next thing is to go ahead and do the airdrop page. So I just did one of the airdrop tasks and I'm about to do the other one, and as you can see, my total earn is 1000 EVP. So I think I'm going to do a withdrawal in this video. I don't know how it is going. I have not withdrawn before, but I think I'm going to withdraw. But it seems like withdrawal is enabled in the site. So let's go over to the airdrop page. So once you're done signing up, it's going to look like this, apart from the total earn, which is also going to be 0. You have not earned anything then. So the next thing is for you to go over to the airdrop page like this. Click on the airdrop page. It's going to go to ask you to go to the mission. So for me, I've already done a Twitter mission of following them on Twitter. So I've already done, and as you can see, it says award received. So when typing your username on Telegram, on Twitter, make sure you didn't add the @ icon. So what you have to do is to go over to the follow Twitter again. I think follow our Twitter address and earn 1000. You have done this particular one, and let me know if they are going to ask me for another one again. And this is their Twitter handle. All you have to do is to follow them and then get back to your account like this. And as you can see, I've added my username on this particular place, and then click on submit, and let's see what it's going to do. So as you can see, they say first you have to follow the page. I've already done this follow task, and that is why it still keep on telling me this about this. So the next thing I have to do is to go back to the airdrop page again and go to the Telegram mission. So if you click on go to mission, it's going to ask you to enter your Telegram username. So I'm going to enter my Telegram username right now. So the next thing is to enter your Telegram username and click on follow. It's going to take you over to Telegram, I think. So it's going to take me over to Telegram right now, and this is their Telegram channel. So as you can see, we just joined the Telegram channel, and you can also read up about this. They even made a post about this airdrop in their Telegram channel, so this is not a whining update. So the next thing is to go over to the site and click on submit over here. As you can see, it's going to load up a bit, and as you can see, they say that I've earned the 3000 EVP bonus for joining their Telegram channel. So let's go over to the airdrop page again, and as you can see, this one is for Medium, this one is for YouTube, this one is for Instagram, and once you're done with all these things, they're gonna reward you with their tokens for completing the task. So I'm currently having 48,000 EP here, and as you can see, they say you can quickly withdraw your AVP, and don't forget note, write the wallet address if you have any exchange to the wallet, and you just have to write a naked code and whatever, blah blah blah. So let me check out how to withdraw, and the next thing I have to do is to go over to my MetaMask, which I have added the network recently. So what I have to do is to click on this particular EV over here, and let me know how to receive it. So if I click on this icon here, I will click on account detail, and it's going to give me my wallet address. Then click and copy the wallet address, and then head back to the site. And here on the site, remember this is my first time trying to withdraw, but let me just enter the wallet address I copied, and as you can see, I didn't have any history over here. So if I click on withdraw, let me see what is going to tell me. So they said the withdrawal will have been temporarily suspended. So as for now, they said the withdrawal is suspended. So maybe in the future the withdrawal will be done, but as for now, this is the update I have for you guys. Don't worry, once I have any good updates on it again, I'm going to show it to you guys. But now, don't try and miss the updates. Remember, this is airdrop and this is free. Anything that coupon has tried to root you off, please exit from the airdrop. And with this, I said see you guys in my next video. Bye.